How are you looking at the story around Meta? Because this has also been a sort of a re-rating, so to speak, given that it was pretty much down and out at one point in time, and then they came out with that major restructuring plan, slash jobs, cut costs, and look where the stock is today.
Right. Look, that one's been a difficult one. We got it right on the way down. We got it wrong as it started to go back up. It's a company that's in a bit of an identity crisis, and it makes it very difficult as a fundamental investor to understand what this company is going to be. I think if you're an investor and you're looking for momentum, it's there. There is business momentum. They seem to be getting a few things right, which hadn't happened for quite a while. But for us, we're having a hard time understanding the overall spend. It still is very high, even though they did cut back quite a bit. The overall spend is high towards this metaverse that they're trying to launch, and that even has started to get a little bit cloudy. So just from the standpoint of we're questioning, and it seems like they're even questioning what the business model ultimately is going to be. So for us, it's not a name that we're investing in. I'll be okay being wrong on that one, just because it's just the up and down skew is just too high. So the volatility and the not understanding what it's going to be, I think it just for us makes it uninvestable.
Really? Given what the stock has done all of this year, now touching 300.
Yeah, like I said, I mean, it's one of those names that, yeah, it's okay for me to sit out of it. Just if I can't understand it, if I can't understand where it's going to go and how it's ultimately going to monetize and make money, I'm okay,
But
sitting one out.
But do you not think that Mark Zuckerberg has walked back from the whole meta focus and now is turning to cloud, turning to AI, turning to AI-enabled interactive services, and is keeping it with the advertising model? So in that sense, yeah, I get your point on the identity crisis part. I think that's a very fair point. And the name change didn't make sense to me either. But do you not see this as course correction? Like, he can't go back to calling it Facebook again, because that would be like
right, there you go, yeah.
a major jolt to credibility.
So I guess our problem is that this is course correction. So I agree. There is a absolute good reason why the stock is up. What we're saying is, how long until Mark Zuckerberg changes his mind again? And so I think right now this is just advisors have come in and said, hey, that didn't work. And so maybe they do get back on track. But for us, we just haven't seen enough evidence for us to want to hop back in. Like I said, it is doing well. It is firing on all cylinders right now. I won't deny that. But for us, like I said, we need more proof before we're willing to jump back in.